In this video I will show you how to change the default font in Google Docs. And what we need to do, open a new Google Doc and add some sample text, and then highlight the text and apply the and make sure you have select normal text here in this styles box, and then select the font you want to be your default font. And you can also set the default font size here, and I will increase the font size here as well. And then after that, make sure that the text is still highlighted, and then go to here styles normal text and click update normal text to match. And after that, again click the styles box, and this time go to options and select save as my default styles, and that will set the default font and as well as default font size. And now if we open a new document, and this change only going to be effect on new documents, only future documents. So, and you can see now that our normal text default font has been set to Roboto, and font size also has been increased to 14. So default font and font size has been successfully set. And one more thing is that right now all other elements like titles, heading 1, heading 2, these also use our default font, but if you want, you can actually set entirely a different font and different size for this element as well. So actually let's do this to title, and here we will highlight the title, and then just to show you I will choose different font for title and different font size as well. And then what we need to do, go to styles title, and then click update title to match, and then again go to options and select save as my default styles. And now if you want to open a new document, our title should have entirely different default text. And so this is the normal text, and if we choose title has this different font impact as it is default font. So you can do this also to other elements like heading 1, heading 2 as well. And also one more thing, that if you want to reset all these styles and go back to whatever the default that comes with Google Docs, what you need to do, make sure that you don't have highlight anything, and then go to styles, options, reset styles, and then go to options, and then select save as my default styles, and that will reset all our custom fonts and styles. And now if you open a new document, default font has been reset to Arial, and font size has been also reset to 11.